Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about how the US election could affect immigration. As the 2024 US election approaches, the stakes for immigration policy are higher than ever. The election outcome could reshape critical areas such as border security, visa regulations, and pathways to citizenship, affecting millions of immigrants and their families. With candidates presenting starkly different views on these issues, voters must consider how their choices will impact both national policy and individual lives. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The 2024 US election implications for immigration policy and what you should know. As the 2024 US election approaches, the stakes for immigration policy could not be higher. The choices voters make will have far-reaching consequences not only for immigrants but for the economy and social fabric of the nation as a whole. This election cycle has already witnessed an uptick in early voting, with many individuals participating who may not have voted early in the past. This heightened engagement suggests that voters recognize the significance of this election, especially given the stark differences in immigration policies proposed by the leading candidates. Immigration policies: a divergence in approaches. The two major parties present fundamentally different approaches to immigration. Democrats typically advocate for more inclusive policies, aiming to keep families united and providing pathways for undocumented individuals to gain legal status. In contrast, the Republican agenda, particularly under Trump's leadership, has been characterized by a more hardline stance, focusing on border security, increased deportations, and reduced immigration numbers. If a Republican candidate is elected, witness a return to policies that scrutinize visa applications more closely, potentially leading to increased denial rates similar to those seen during the previous Trump administration. Employment-based visas and green cards. For those navigating the complex landscape of employment-based immigration, the election outcome could significantly affect the green card process. Under a Republican administration, individuals on visas may face challenges in renewing their status. However, a shift in policy could also lead to unexpected benefits. If travel restrictions are imposed, unused immigrant visas might spill over into employment-based categories. This could result in expedited processing and advancement in priority dates, particularly for applicants from countries like India and China, which have long waiting periods. If we assume a Republican win, the challenges will persist. But for those who are waiting in the employment-based queue, there might be a silver lining in the form of accelerated processing times due to visa spillover. This is particularly crucial for individuals seeking to file Form I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status and receive employment authorization documents and advance parole. Visa challenges and administrative processing. A significant concern during any election is the potential for increased scrutiny in visa processing. Historically, periods of political uncertainty have resulted in heightened administrative processing times, particularly during the Trump administration, where many applicants faced lengthy delays. Administrative processing can leave individuals in limbo, unable to return to the US until their visa is stamped, which adds an additional layer of stress for those trying to maintain their status. Preparing for possible outcomes. Regardless of the election outcome, there are practical steps that individuals on visas or green cards can take to safeguard their status. Document readiness: ensure that all your immigration documents are in order, including your visa, passport, and any supporting documents. If you anticipate an interview for your green card, be prepared to provide original birth and marriage certificates. If you have difficulties obtaining these documents due to historical discrepancies in your home country, start the process now to avoid delays. Consult immigration experts if you have specific concerns about your status or the implications of the election on your case. It may be beneficial to consult with an immigration attorney who can provide tailored advice. The broader implications of immigration policy. The implications of the 2024 US election extend beyond individual cases. A change in administration could lead to significant shifts in policies affecting refugees, asylum seekers, and family reunification processes. A Democratic administration may push for more humane immigration policies that prioritize family unity and provide a pathway for those seeking asylum. Conversely, a Republican administration may focus on stricter immigration controls and potential mass deportations, creating uncertainty for millions. Conclusion: as we approach the 2024 US election, all immigrants and those in the immigration process need to stay informed and engaged. The outcomes of this election will significantly shape the future of US immigration policy and the experiences of countless individuals and families. Whether you are on a visa or a green card, understanding the potential changes and preparing accordingly is crucial. Engaging in discussions with those who can vote, ensuring your documents are in order, and being proactive about your immigration status will empower you to navigate the complexities that lie ahead. Ultimately, the choices made at the ballot box will not only impact immigration but also reflect the values that the United States holds as a nation of immigrants. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about how the US election could affect immigration. As the 2024 US election nears, the stakes surrounding immigration policy have reached new heights, with outcomes potentially reshaping border security, visa regulations, and citizenship pathways. Candidates from the two major parties offer contrasting visions, underscoring the importance for voters to understand how these policies may impact millions of immigrants, as well as the broader economy and social fabric of the nation. Democrats traditionally support policies focused on inclusivity, family unity, and pathways to legal status for undocumented individuals. Republicans, particularly under Trump's leadership, emphasize stricter immigration controls, prioritizing border security and limiting immigration numbers. Should a Republican candidate win, we may see a return to heightened scrutiny for visa applicants, increasing denial rates and administrative processing times similar to those under the previous Trump administration. For individuals on employment-based visas or navigating the green card process, the election outcome is critical. A Republican win could mean tighter policies, though visa backlog clearance could accelerate processing for some employment-based applicants through potential visa spillover benefits. This shift may especially help individuals from countries like India and China who face long wait times, potentially speeding up priority dates for green card filings. Visa processing times and administrative delays are also top concerns, particularly as previous administrations have used periods of uncertainty to implement tougher policies. Increased administrative processing can create significant disruptions, leaving applicants in limbo and unable to return to US until their visas are approved. Regardless of the election results, those in the immigration process should take practical steps to protect their status, ensuring that all documents such as visas and passports are current and readily available is crucial. Additionally, consulting with immigration attorneys can provide tailored advice for navigating anticipated changes. The election's implications extend to broader issues like asylum and refugee policies, with the Democratic administration likely favoring more humane approaches, while a Republican administration may prioritize enforcement. Staying informed and prepared is essential for all immigrants, as this election will play a pivotal role in shaping US immigration policy and the lives of countless families for years to come.